Hello dear student, today is the new topic name. The name of the new topic is the find the product by expansion method. Okay, now see, first start from the first one example. It will 34 multiplied by 3. First of all, we have to solve the very simple method. It will be 34 multiplied by 3. Okay, first of all, the 3, 4, they are 12. This is our 2. 1 is also carry. It will be 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is a 10. This is our, we have to write down the 10. It means that your correct answer is what? 102 is the correct answer. You have to 34 multiplied by 3. Your correct answer is what? 102 is the correct answer. But your question is what? Find the product by expansion method. Okay, by the expansion method. Find the product by the expansion. Okay, 34 multiplied by 3. It means that it will be 34. We have to like that. Now listen here. First of all, the 34. You can be also write down it. Here will be 30 plus 4. I will write here 34. You will be represented by the 30 plus 4. Why? Because the 30 plus 4 is a 34. Okay. Now this is a 34. You can be writing so a 30 plus 4. Now we have to solve it. It means that it will be 34 multiplied by 3 is equals to what? Now put the value of what? 34. 34 it means just like it is a 30 plus 4. And this is a multiplication sign. You have to use the multiplication sign to multiply by 3. Now we have to solve it first of all. Now see, simple multiplication. Here will be 30 because this is a completely bracket. Here will be 30 multiplied by 3. First of all, we have to multiply by it. Here will be 30 multiplied by 3. This is our 3. Is our add with. This is our addition sign. Okay, and this is our what? 4. This is our 4 multiplied by 3. Again we have to multiply by it. Here will be 4 multiplied by 3 is our add with. Here will be 4 multiplied by 3. Okay, now we have to use the simple multiplication. It means what? Here will be 30 multiplied by 3 is our add with 4 multiplied by 3. 30 multiplied by 3. Now we have to solve it. Here will be 30 multiplied by 3. So simple multiplication. This is our 3 multiplied by 0 is a 0. 3 3 is a 9. This is our what? 90. We have to write down is 90. Is our add with. Is our addition sign. Is our add with 4 multiplied by 3. It will be 4 multiplied by 3. This is our answer is what? 12. Okay. Just we have to add with simple addition. There will be 90 is our add with. This is our 12. This is our 12. So simple addition. You have to use the simple addition. Okay. It means what? Here will be 0 plus 2 is 2. And the 9 plus 1 is what? 10. This is our 10. It means that your correct answer is what? 102. Okay, this is our answer is 102. This is also answer is 102. Both are correct. But your question is what? Find the product by expansion. We have to use this method. So simple method. First of all, we have to write down is 34 multiplied by 3. Here will be 34. You can be also write like that. This is what 30 plus 4. You can be writing. Next 34 multiplied by 3. Here will be 30 plus 4 multiplied by 3. 30 multiplied by 3 is our add with 4 multiplied by 3. 30 multiplied by 3, you get the answer is 90. And then you have to add with 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. That is why your answer is what? 102 is the correct answer. Same example solve for the second one. Second one is what? 48 multiplied by 9. Okay. Now see, first of all the 48, you can also write it. This is our 48, it means what? Here will be 48 is equals to, this is our 40, this is our 40 plus 8. Here will be 48, you can be also write that 48, you can be also write that this is our 40 is our add with 8. Okay, now we have to solve it. this is our 48 multiplied by 9 is equals to 48. You can also write that this is our 40 plus 8 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 9. This is our 9. Okay. Now we have to solve it to simple multiplication. First of all, we have to solve the 40 multiplied by 9. Second one, we have to solve the 8 multiplied by 9. Now we have to solve it. This is our 40 multiplied by what? 9. First of all, we have to write it the 9. Next, this is the 8 multiplied by 9. This is what we have to write down it. 8 multiplied by 9. Now, so simple multiplication. We have to solve the simple multiplication. Is what? This is 40 multiplied by 9. Now we have to solve the 40 multiplied by 9. This is our 40 multiplied by what? 9. Now we have to solve it. This is our 9 multiplied by 0 is 0. 9 4 ja 36. This is our 36. It means that your answer is what? 360 is the answer. Next is our add bit. 8 9 ja 72. This is our 72. And just we have to add with 360 is our add with 772. It means that this is our 360 is our add with 72. So simple addition. This is our 0 is our add with 2. You get the correct answer is what? 2. 6 plus 7. Now we have to solve it. This is our 13. This is our 3. And 1 is also carry. This is our 1. 3 plus 1 is our 4. This is our 4. It means that the correct answer is what? 432 is the correct answer. It means that 360 is our add with 72 is equals to your correct answer is what? 432. This is our way we have to solve, find the product by the expansion method. This is our expansion method we have to use it. 48 is equals to, you can write it, is 40 plus 8, is 40 plus 8. 48 multiplied by 9 is 40 plus 8, you have to write it, multiply by 9. So simple multiplication. 40 multiplied by 9, you have to solve it. 40 multiplied by 9, so correct answer is what? 360. You can also write it 360. Okay, this is your 360 is our add bit. 8 9 are 72. This is our 72. Okay, 360 is our add with 72, and you get the final result. Final result means what? Is the 0 is our add with 2. This is our 2. 6 plus 7 is our 13. This is our 3. 1 is also carry. 3 plus 1 is our 4. This is our 4. You get the correct answer is what? 432 is the correct answer. This is our final result. Okay. Now the next one is start the rewrite using the addition sign. Okay. Now see. 5 multiplied by 4 is, it means what? 5 times 4. 5 times 4 it means what? We have to write down the 4 in 5 times. Okay. 5 times 4 we have to write it. This is our 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. Now count the total number of 4s. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. It means what? 5 multiplied by 4 is 5 times 4, or we have to write down the 5 times 4. It means that we have to write down the 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 in 5 times. Okay. Now next one example. 4 multiplied by 10 is, same way we have to write it. First of all means what? 5 times 4. Same way we have to write down is, this is our 4 multiplied by 10 is. It means that you can write it. This is our 4 times 10. Once again I repeat it. 4 multiplied by 10 is, it means that you can also write it. This is our 4 times 10. This is the 4 multiplied by 10. It means what? 4 times 10. It means, or means what? We have to write down the 4 times 10. This is our 10, 10, 10 and this is our 10. Okay. Now count the total number of 10s. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the third one example. Third one example is what? Here will be 6 multiplied by 4 is. It means that you can also write it. This is our 6. This is our 6 times 4. This is our 6 times 4. Okay. Now we have to write it. This is our 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. Now count the total number of 4s. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. It means what? Here will be 6 multiplied by 4 is, you can also write it. This is our 6 times 4, or it means that you have to write down the 6 times 4. This is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is our way we have to write down the rewrite using the addition sign. We have to use the addition sign. Okay. This is our example is based on find the product by the expansion method. We have to use the expansion method. This is all two example is based on the find the product by the expansion method, and this is our example is based on rewrite using the addition sign. Okay. Hope so everyone student understood the concept of the find the product by the expansion method, and we have to use the rewrite using the addition sign. Okay. And next topic we will start from the next OBS video, and have a nice day.